What up guys, it's your boy K-Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your running boards onto your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get this started. The link where you can buy these specific running boards will be in the description below. The first thing we're going to do is place jack stands underneath the existing running boards in the forward and the back end of the truck. There are 3 brackets that hold the running boards onto the truck, and there are 2 bolts that hold the running board onto the bracket. The 2 bolt is a 13mm bolt for the one closer to the body and a 12mm bolt for the one right underneath. Once the bottom section of the running board has been completely undone, you can pick it up and remove it from the truck. Now we can remove the bracket from the body, and those are all held on by 13mm bolts. With the jack stand in place, it's actually the same relative height and distance to place our new running boards. We pick up the new running boards and place it carefully onto the jack stands. We go underneath the truck and we make some final adjustments to line up the bolt holes as much as we can. Now we use a combination of bolt, lock wash, and washer and install these on the forward, middle, and back end of the truck, only finger tight for now. Hey guys, just a quick shout out to Diggin and Bama. He mentioned in a comment on my last video that he's had these very same slider for a year now and he's very happy with it. So thanks for leaving that comment. And also, if you haven't yet, check out my website www.kflow-crib.com. Now let's get back to the truck. Once all are installed, we can tighten down the hardware, starting from the back and then working our way to the front or vice versa. So the installation is pretty much done for this side, and we just rinse and repeat on the opposite side of the truck. Here's a quick before shot with the stock running boards. This is what the final installed running board looks like, and man do they look nice. I have to say, these things are rock solid. Just a quick note. They do stick out a little bit more than the old ones, but for those people who park really close next to you and swing their car door a little too hard, they're definitely in for a nice treat. Thanks for watching this video guys. As you can see, installing these running boards is very easy. You can definitely do it within an hour. Just a heads up though, the running boards that I installed versus the stock ones do lower the ground clearance by about an inch, so just keep that in mind. And these are not designed for rock crawling, these are just steps so that you can easily get in and out of the truck. And also, it's more for aesthetic purpose too, it does make the truck look pretty sick. So just keep that in mind when you buy these running boards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Feel free to check out some of my other videos on upgrades on the Tacoma. So until next time guys, peace out.